Well, that one's lost. Where are your other socks?
They're more lost. A bunch of robots came by here and stole my whole sock collection. I could use some help getting them back.
Span is 225 feet long and 50 feet high. As we cross this trestle, we'll also be turning back the clock to the days of the Wild West. Over to your right is Boot Hill, the final resting place for many a gunman. Many folks met their ends through violence, gunplay in the streets, and it's said they died with their boots on.
All right, medics, Harlow, you take care of that gold bus. I gotta keep an eye on Yosemite. It's his first day.
Well, howdy, folks. My name is Deputy Yosemite, and I am here to protect everyone here on this train.
All right, Yosemite.
I'm here to protect the tall folks, the small folks, and all the pretty ladies here on this here train. Oh my gosh, Sheriff! We're being under attack! Lock us on the wagon train! Lock up the women! Lock up the children! Let's get out of here!
Yosemite! What? We are not under attack! Pick up your guns! Put it back in your holster! All right! Yosemite.
Yeah.
This is your big chance to prove yourself and to prove that you can do this job, all right?
Oh, don't you worry none, Sheriff. I am to be the roughest, toughest, and the most handsomest deputy here at Tweetsie Railroad.
All right, well, we'll see about that. Come on, give me a hand.
You heard the Sheriff. Give him a this.
Woo!
Woo! Yosemite,
Give me an S.
S.
Give me an H.
H.
Give me an E.
E.
Give me an R.
R.
you are on thin ice, bucko!
Sheriff, you seem very stressed.
I can't imagine why!
Ooh, you know what I like to do when I get
I
stressed?
really don't want to know.
I love to sing.
Oh.
And it so happened that me and the other deputy came up with a song. Are you guys ready? I'll start us off. Oh, Tweetsie people sing this song. Do-da, do-da. Tweetsie Railroad, 143 my song. Oh, the do-da day. Hey, going around all night, going around all day. Left my buddy on the bus all night, somebody been on the bay.
That is enough of that! I pay y'all to be cowboys, not dance around like a bunch of Diamond Lil's cans. Now, you, sir, are under arrest.
What? What's the charge?
For impersonating an entertainer.
Sheriff, you can't do that. The people on the train love to hear me sing. Ain't that right?
Is that so? They love to hear you sing.
That's right.
Well, how about we do this the democratic way? This is America after all. Ladies and gentlemen, just a few minutes here. We are going to be going up to Port Boone, where we are going to get into some fist fights, possibly some gun fights, and maybe even a little bit more daring cowboy do. Now, do y'all want to see that? Boo! Or do y'all want to watch those numbskulls sing?
Yeah!
Yeah! Well, that's too bad! Because I'm the sheriff of Tweetsie Railroad, and my vote counts twice. We're doing my plan. Now, you two, take the gold box, get in the bank, and take care of the gold. Yosemite, you're out here with me, and we're going to keep an eye on the people on the train.
Oh, don't you worry none, Sheriff. I'll keep an eye on everybody. Especially you. You got a shifty look about you.
Hands a stick up! He's holding a stick, isn't he?
No. Sheriff, I think we're being robbed.
What could have possibly given you that idea, Yosemite?
He has a stick. Oh, what?
You don't think you're being robbed. Now listen here, deputy. I know you know where that gold is, and I want it.
Listen here, bad guy. I'm going to tell you where that gold is. You can kick me, punch me, or make it to where I never sing another note again.
Okay, I'd actually appreciate that one.
But I will never, ever, ever tell you where that gold is. Ah! Ow! Okay, it's downstairs, 3 doors to the left. The password is password. Here's my gun.
Both of them, if you please.
Yosemite, you are an absolute disappointment.
Ah!
Juggling these things, aren't you? Yep, that's right. Nice and easy, Sheriff.
You got it?
Yeah, I think so. There's quite a lot of these things.
Watch this.
But,
Hey!
Wait, guys! We have guns!
the guns!
Alright.
Let's see,
Alright.
yeah,
It doesn't have bullets in it. Hey, now, wait a minute.
I think this one's mine.
Alright, punches everyone.
Okay. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! I am in the way!
That was kind of the point.
Continue.
Well, I'm just not in the mood anymore. Go to the west. Make sure you said let's go to the west.
Alright then, go to the west it is.
Alright.
Wait a minute. Are we going to go on 3 or 3 and then go?
On 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Paper covers rock.
I got a painful cinder in my eye.
Well, you should go see first aid about that. Alright, deputies, bring the gold box out of the bank. You can stop cowering in fear now, Yosemite.
Okay. Ooh, Sheriff.
I'm going to get you for that.
Sheriff, while I was in there, I thought of a new song. Do you want to hear it?
No, how about you tell this guy?
Oh, okay. U-G-L-Y, you ain't got no alibi, you ugly. You ugly. M-O-M-M-A. I don't think he got that way. His mama. Woo! His mama.
My mama was a saint.
Yeah, Saint Bernard.
From that old smokestack and listen to the
Home and settle down right here.
Well, thank goodness y'all are
Quit
here.
pushing.
And Bad Bart, you know, the leader of the Bad Horse Gang.
Yes.
He stole my horse, thankfully my partner over there was able to get away with hers. Stole my horse, ran right into the fort, and stowing out there with it.
I see. Bad Bart is hiding out in the fort.
Yeah, I've been waiting for you guys to come by.
Fantastic.
Don't know what's happening over here, but
Well, we captured this here Yahoo a few minutes ago. We'll see what we can do. Now, deputies, you two are going to stay out here and keep an eye on this
Sheriff.
with
Sheriff, what do you
the
mean here?
marshals. I'm going to go see if I can rout this Bad Bart feller.
Hey, Sheriff, what do you want me to do?
They want you to turn me loose.
Okay.
No, I did not say that. None of that. None of that. You have the most important job of all.
Ooh.
You follow me, keep your guns holstered, and say nothing.
Now, Sheriff, you know I said sorry for shooting you in the hiney that one time.
well, it took 4 lawmen to take down 1 bad guy.
Sure did. He may not look like much, and he smells much worse than he looks, but he is one tough cookie.
Sheriff had not won the duel in the West back there. I don't think we would have been standing here today.
You sure wouldn't. He just got lucky.
Hey! So he's pushy, ugly, and stinky. There are people like him since before y'all were born, pretty much.
Oh, I don't know about it. I mean, look at him over there. The red pants, the black fringe jacket. I mean, I see your point, Arlo, but they've got a horse. You know they made off with horses.
Don't get over the
Getting.
Well, that was easy. Anyway, here you go.
Thank you kindly, little
I
brother.
am always getting you out of things, just like when we were kids. Eh, there, brother?
Brother? Ugly, pushy, and stinky, am I?
Oh, you pipe down. You know Mama always loved me more than you.
Well, she liked the horse better than all of us.
I mean, that goes without saying.
Had to have a pork chop around your neck to get the dog to play with you.
At least I can get the dog to play with me.
Excuse me,
Get him
the
what?
Brady Bunch. You're under arrest again.
This is family business, so you just see your way out.
Hey, I can't seem to find your lugs. And... Oh, wait, you're not supposed to be untied. Sheriff! Sheriff, you guys are under arrest.
Your butt's backwards.
Oh, you're under arrest.
Nothing but.
You're under arrest.
Now, for the third
Close
time,
enough.
flip around.
I'm gonna shoot him myself.
I'm this way.
Oh, you're under arrest.
Well, I hate to burst your bubble there, lawman, but, you know, I'm the fastest runner in the West, and she's got a horse. Catching either of us.
Oh, yeah? Well, backup is all we got. Marshal! No!
Good luck.
Get him! Come here, ugly!
See what you got. Oh, you're gonna turn that around on me. Put that away. Watch yourself now, Sheriff. Everybody stay back. I got a hostage. I'll do it.
You may have a hostage, but there's somebody you've forgotten about.
Oh, yeah? Who's that? Huh? Oh!
Save the day!
Yeah!
Well done, boys.
I was also here.
And
Hold
Harlow!
off long enough for backup to arrive. When we get back to town, ice cream's on me.
Ooh, yay! Yeah. Sheriff, you know, this calls for another song.
No! All right, let's get back to town. Let's get back to town before they realize there's not another marshal.
There's not!
Don't tell them that.
I'm them.